On the last video, it said 99% of you guys are not subscribed. On the one before that, it said 100% of you guys are not subscribed. It is free. Subscribe, like, helps the algorithm out a ton. Let's get into it. See, like, this is the stuff I gotta be recording whenever we're not trying to record nothing. You know what we should get to? Thick on chrome hubcaps from AutoZone. From AutoZone. Just imagine.
You know what's money I'm gonna have to spend? Everybody please like, share, follow, comment, everything and more.
All the above.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G.
We gotta have the subs. Gotta have the likes.
Previously, we did a full walk around of it, got the bed cleaned out, got it rolled forward just a little bit, and then we got started with taking the bed off. That was a huge milestone, and honestly, we got a lot done. He got a lot more done, so I'm gonna go ahead and update you guys on that.
This guy right here just told me 5 minutes ago. He said, you know, I'm getting a lot better at being in front of the camera. It's not even nerve-wracking anymore. It's not even bad. And then I say, all right, turn your music off. I'm gonna do a video of what you've done without me today. I really don't want to do that, he said.
It's all about personal preference, right?
Yeah, but you just said that it wasn't a problem.
Well, it's not a problem. Let's go with it.
All right, what'd you get done today, Jacob?
Started off, I pulled the bed bracket off. It's laying over on the floor. It's laid up in rows. The fuel tank come out of it. Drive shaft is out of it. Still sucks. Shocks come out. That was probably the easiest part I've done all day was pulling the shocks off of it. Now the rear axle is out, free to go, move wherever. There's one brake line attaching it to the frame. You got some frame grounded down. Ready to continue grinding and painting. Angle grinder and grinder wire wheel is probably the easiest what I found so far. Some sort of stripping wheel.
Yeah.
Found it in advance this morning.
This is the some sort of stripper wheel he's talking about. How much was this?
Like $30. I got the pack for it.
That's ridiculous, honestly. Big Gator. Honestly, that did a great
Oh,
job.
it worked phenomenal.
I'm telling you, it looks really good.
Looks a whole lot better than it did. There's some certain spots that need to finish.
This ain't done yet. And up through there ain't done yet. And you pulled this bracket off right here, right?
Yes.
We found a few rusty spots, but nothing we can't fix. A little patchwork will be perfectly fine.
Really, the best thing about this is ain't no body filler over there.
Yeah, that's right. Progress is really coming together on this truck, honestly.
Oh, there's still so much more to do.
I know there's much more to do, but like the progress is
Right,
crazy.
for 2 days of work, I don't think somebody could ask.
I agree. Are you gonna put a different diff cover on that?
I don't know. I may polish it because it's aluminum. I may pull it off the polish.
Couldn't beat that.
It's all about saving money.
I agree.
Run the drag sleds.
Hey, I would run them. I told him yesterday, I said, you know, if you had brakes, we could start this up and do a burnout.
I'd do a good burnout right now.
It really would.
Well, it wouldn't do nothing right now, but
If it was connected, it still would.
yeah, if a drive shaft and leaf springs and shocks and everything was connected, so basically redo everything that I just took apart today.
Yeah.
It'd be alright. It'd be worth
Did you
it.
break any more bolts?
I broke 2 bolts.
2 bolts. Which ones did you break?
They're still in it. I can't
Uh-oh.
get them out. They're still attached, but they're rounded off, so they're not going to come out until we cut them or torch them.
Them two?
Yeah, them too.
Okay. It's that rounded off inside the frame. That sucks.
They're square-shouldered bolts, which is stupid. It's alright. We'll figure it out.
Good little recap.
Definitely.
A few moments later.
It's a new day, and Jacob's been working on it a little bit.
New year, new me, you know.
So he's got some of the paint stripped off, as you can see. It stops about right here though.
This side's a little better.
This side's a little better. Okay. And so we're gonna see if we can get it stripped on down today. And we may test out aircraft remover for the paint, because I mean this right here is just, it's rough. It's hard.
Also need to figure out.
It's hard to look at. Hey, that's where I put that brake fluid at.
I know, dude. I done been scraping on it.
Yeah, that brake fluid works good. Yeah, So we may have to patch weld some of that. Hey, we can do just what they did. Weld it like they did over there.
No,
Just get a stick and just put an absolute glob on it.
Well, here's what I'm thinking. Okay. I pulled this off of the frame. This is used for absolutely nothing. Because there's a branch that sits here.
So you're saying you could cut that up?
Yeah, and use it for...
I like that. I like your
because it's
resourcefulness.
not used for anything. It mounts here and there. And it's free because it came with the truck.
Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and hop in here and get to laying down some aircraft remover, stripping some frames, stripping some paint, right?
See what we can get done here.
That'll work. Any other words for us, Jack, about the like,
No,
subscribe?
I don't.
Did you
Like, subscribe, comment. But I don't know.
Big guy's feelings are a little hurt.
Yeah, it's a little bit of Bondo.
That
ain't
smells
it?
terrible. Gosh, that smells bad.
That's all.
Man, that is rough. Alrighty, I'm gonna throw some aircraft strips on here. And let me tell you guys, it is stout. This is what we was wanting to happen with that paint stripper, and it did not disappoint. We'll test this here in a few more minutes. He's been working over there on the frame. He got it looking nice. Let's do it. I said burn some, we'll burn it out. He said something. Let me turn back on my third paint. Stink?
It's just awful.
Dude, what if we light the whole... The problem is if we light the door on fire,
I'm not
it'll
like
probably bust that glass.
Well, I'm worried about it going to here and up there and over here. And
It'll
like
stop right here.
that.
what I'm saying?
Because
Dude, it's right here.
yeah, but still.
I think we should light it all on fire. That looks good. That smells so bad. Dude, look down here. That's lifted. Here. So satisfying. What the heck is that?
What is that?
That's your Bondo.
Alright.
You know Spider-Man, right? You know Venom? It's the symbiote on the ground. start to make paintable by the time we get done. If we could ever get that red off. That's got to be the clear coat. I can't get over them lines yet. Look at the line in it right here. Right there. Oh, that's good. Yeah, right there's the line. Got a hole right there. What are you gonna do? Just heat it till it's red hot?
I don't want to catch the paint on it.
I've scraped most of it off. You should be good. Oh, that's just paint. Scraper has red freaking sludge on it right now. I told you it had red sludge on it.
There'll be something inside this truck. It'll get hot and explode.
There we go. I'm melting the paint. I think. Yeah, scrape that. Hey. Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, don't sling it on me. Oh, that's working good. Look at it just melt the paint. All right, slowly move down. Slowly move down. Go right here. Hey, in the floor. Don't panic. Number one thing to do is not to panic.
No, I ain't worried.
Wait, both of us, no, don't put water on.
Yeah.
Blow in 3, 2, 1.
We just.
I thought chemical fires